Ever wondered why some videos on YouTube seem to draw in the crowds like bees to honey, while others languish in the shadows? This digital sphere, brimming with creativity, is not as daunting as it may seem. With the right strategies up your sleeve, you can indeed turn the tide in your favor. Just like a chef meticulously adds ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece, attracting an audience to your YouTube video requires a recipe of its own. Today, we're going to delve into this recipe, breaking it down into digestible steps. Step 1. Perfect that title. A catchy title acts as a magnet, drawing viewers in. It's the hook that makes people want to click on your video. Make it intriguing, make it relevant, but most importantly, make it resonate with your content. Moving on to step 2, the thumbnail. Think of it as the book cover of your video. It needs to be visually appealing, attention-grabbing, and a reflection of what your video is about. A thumbnail done right can work wonders in attracting viewers. Step 3 is all about the video description. A well-crafted description not only informs viewers about your video, but also helps improve its searchability. Sprinkle relevant keywords throughout the description, but remember, avoid keyword stuffing. Step 4. The all-important tags. Tags serve as indicators of what your video is about. They help YouTube's algorithm understand your content and thus increase your chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. On to step 5, which is engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, acknowledge feedback, and create a community. Engagement fosters loyalty, and loyalty translates into a consistent audience for your content. And finally, step 6, consistency. Upload regularly, maintain a schedule, and stick to it. Consistency helps build an audience as viewers know when to expect new content from you. So there you have it, 6 steps to attract an audience to your YouTube video. Remember, the journey to a successful YouTube channel is not a sprint, but a marathon. It takes time, effort, and patience. Now, it's time for you to put these steps into action, to bring your creative vision to life, and to let your videos shine amidst the digital galaxy that is YouTube. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Sharing is caring, so do share this video with your fellow content creators. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more such insights. After all, knowledge grows when it's shared, right?